Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this cordless vacuum cleaner and it's a handheld vacuum cleaner, and I'm going to be doing a voiceover because my audio did not work when I was recording it, but doesn't matter anyway. You're here to see the vacuum, not to hear me. It comes with this nice little velvety kind of bag, and you'll see all the different pieces and parts it comes with. That's one there. It's kind of like a little vacuum that'll be a nice wide one, so that's what I'll use to get up, like if I spill some dirt or something like sawdust or something a lot. This is the little thing here. It's like a little gun kind of shape, and you'll see it's got a button there. You hold down the button for like 3 seconds to turn it on, and then as you push it, it increases in volume as well. And you can see inside there's the little flap that goes up when it turns on. And the purpose of that is so once it accumulates dirt and stuff, it won't fall back out again. And then I was showing you here, just the back of it was blowing out so much, so it has a blower on the back. So you have, and there goes everything flying off my table. But you can see it had, a good blower on the back as well as that. So if you needed to clean out your keyboard or something like that, here you can see I'm picking up stuff from my counter, and it even picked up that one thing that was stuck down pretty well. So it really did a good job, and you can even see inside there some of the goop that it has. It's probably good that I'm doing a voiceover because I think I did leave the sound going on it, but it was fairly quiet, but it does sound like a vacuum. And it's got the air I was explaining, the little thing there, the flap, so the stuff doesn't come out. And then it came with extra filters as well. So it has the one filter that it comes with that's on there, and then it has the 2 extra ones. And you'll see here I'm able to open it up and show you guys the filter just comes right out. And it's a pretty decent filter. I dumped out the goop I had already picked up on there. And it just fits in there pretty easy. I mean, I don't know why I was struggling with it, but it does fit in. There's no real direction or anything that it needs to go. And then you line up the little arrows and twist it and back in business again. So now I'm going to show you some of the other ones. This is like a little crevice tool, so getting in between the seats of the car or in some edges somewhere, corners, you can use that one. Let's see what other tools I show you here. Here we go. There's that big one that I was explaining at first. So just get up some, large area items. And it does have a lot of suction, so it will, pick up stuff. This one has like a little brush one. I'm not sure why it didn't fit in there the way I was doing it. But it's a little brush one, so if you needed to kind of get it to pick up some certain things, you could. Here were different little blower attachments for the back, so you could blow wide with that one. And I don't know if I really explained it even in there, but you kind of put the item in, and then you kind of twist it a little bit to have it stick into place. And so you can go, a little bit wider and super thin if you needed to get into a tiny little area. You have all the different tips for it. There's also this little brush end, which seemed to fit on the end of one of those little blowing ones. I'm not sure what you'd want to blow through a brush, but maybe if you were doing the fins in your air conditioner in your car or something. I like this little hand on the back of it, of the brush, but that's to clean out all the stuff. This was the charging cable, so I think it was a USB-C charger that it charges, so you can just charge it up pretty easy into anything. I was explaining here how you have to hold it down for 3 seconds to turn it on, and then each subsequent push will increase the going. And I love this one here. I was totally impressed with how good it is for such a small item. I mean, I'm not going to be able to know the exact runtime or anything, but it worked great. So I love this thing. Going definitely in my arsenal of stuff I'm keeping around the house, and thumbs up from me.